Hi, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you the SONOFF switch that I got from Lazada. And this device is a UK plug. Is a Malaysian or UK plug. It's a 3-pin. And with this device, you can control the switch over Wi-Fi or over internet. So let's see how it works with Google Assistant. So I plug in here and then plug in there, and you can see the light is on. It will blink, and you need to go to you need to install an wiki apps. Uh, the instruction will be given from by that. If you buy, there's a manual, so just follow the manual. You have to install this wiki app, EV-Link apps, and then add the device here, and then from here you can on and off, you can control. Let me off the light for one. So from EV-Link, you're able to control the light as well. What if I'm outside the office or anything? Yeah, as long as you have internet at home and the device is connected to the internet as well, you just say, you can also integrate Google Assistant like this one. Hey Google, turn hydroponic on. See, it works. So I'm not teaching or preaching. I just command by telling the Google to on and off the device. Hey Google, turn hydroponic off.
Sure, turning hydroponic off.
You want to make it louder a little bit? Hey Google, turn hydroponic on.
Alright, turning hydroponic on.
Alright, I think that's it. Hey Google, turn hydroponic off.
Sorry, I don't recognize that device. Please use your device name.
TV. Hey Google, turn hydroponic off.
Got it, turning hydroponic off.
Yeah.